Look at the pink gun. The gun is pink. It's pink and it's a gun. It's a pink gun. It's gun. It's pink. It's a girl gun. Steve, come get your gun.
Oh, you.
You left it on the ground. c7viper. Hello. So this week we did a prisoner escape game where there's one prisoner on the field and he runs around all crazy like, and then one team has to rescue him and get him somewhere safely. Another team just has to kill him. He doesn't know who is who, so he has to trust his instincts. But first, I'm gonna get to the questions that I told you to ask. The first question is, what's in your bombs and how do you make them? Well, that's really easy. There's not much in them. I use party poppers. You can hollow out the inside of a party popper. Fill it with BBs. You know, take out that confetti. You don't need that. It's not a party, it's airsoft. Fill it with the really cheap BBs that you can get. Those little yellow ones that come with your gun. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And you put them in there, and when you tie a tripwire to it, they walk past the tripwire. That thing pops.
Was that a poppy?
Yeah, you did.
What was it?
And then the BBs go everywhere, and that's a kill. I also have some landmines that you've seen them. Oh no! Dylan's walking into a minefield! I hope he does not step on a landmine. Oh no, Nick!
That looks cool.
And the ones that I did last week were just a bunch of intricate looking bombs that really were all just pull pins. Whatever I could rig up. Grenades on pull pins. A lot of it was fishing wire. The next question is, how did you get such a Ponin airsoft field? I built it. A couple years ago it didn't look like this. It looked more like this. Over time it grew. People gave us some material to work on. I scavenged material to use. Actually, Tiger's dad donated a lot of the wood, and he actually played the games last week, and they donated a lot of construction material. So that's how we got the field we have today, and it's only gonna get better. And the last question is, that's some creative games. I should tell my how's your day going? It's pretty good. My day's going great. It's a Friday. Friday. Yeah, the games are really creative, so you can take them and use them anytime you want. Feel free. They come out of my mind, and I do them for you guys, so that you guys can branch off and do more than just one team here, one team here. I hit you. No, I hit you. You hit me. Oh, no, you're out. I don't like that. That's boring. It's not fun. You gotta keep it interesting. And don't forget, 1 month from now we're starting the Airsoft Survivor Series. It's going to be pretty awesome. That will be sponsored by Rapid Fire Airsoft. We might get more sponsors, not sure yet. As for the question of last week that I asked you, which video would you like to see? A, an awesome zombie video at the old farm. They're everywhere. 2, a video from Operation Lightning Strike a few years ago. And Roman numeral 3, an ambush video where a reporter is embedded with a squad searching for snipers.
We made it up to the back of the enemy's stronghold. All these fallen logs, they could be anywhere.
What's your plan of action?
Thought they were bombers.
Trying to overrun them? Yeah. I did some tallying. There's the tallies right there. As you can see, the zombies won by a lot. It's not even close. Actually, the sniper one was kind of close. I might edit that one and put it together later, but it looks like the zombie one will be on my second channel, which is c7viper again. So if you haven't found me on there, find me on there, like me on there, and then you can watch the secret videos that I put up that no one's ever seen. This is the last video from the farm that there will ever be, and I just never put it up. I forgot about it. Never got around to it. It's a huge zombie game. There's a lot of people. It's really intense. And if you haven't found me on Facebook, go to facebook.com/c7viper Airsoft. Find me on there. like me on there, and I will post pictures and different random things that I don't put on here, so you can be part of the in crowd, the VIP section for the C7viper, you know, the airsoft stuff. You can just and I answer questions on there all the time. I am on there a lot more than the YouTube. It's a little easier. But now we're gonna get to this prisoner game. The prisoner breaks out, and then he runs, and he has a hidden gun, and but they got the key. They gotta get the key, and you watch it, and then you'll like it, and favorite it, and subscribe. Go.
Aw. So I had the key for nothing?
Yeah, the rescuers have the key.
Awesome.
Come on, we're going back to the camper.
Alright, I'll just leave that there.
Trust whoever you want to trust.
Alright.
Come on, jackass.
You guys can go ahead and walk.
Target laying down. Melvin's laying down. Fuck, something's wrong with my gun. Go, 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 go! I got visual on two right here.
That building! If you're dead, go down to the embassy.
Nick! We're on your side!
Move up!
Where's Owen?
Owen's in the forest. Okay, Nick, break that back down the camera.
Shit! No. Not there. Who are you shooting at, Nick?
Don't shoot at Nick.
We don't want Nick dead.
We're screwed here.
Nick, we're here to help you. Guys, he's over here. field.
Not moving. There you go. Sand?
Careful, they're coming from behind you also.
Joe's hit!
Got you. Got me in the leg.
Alright.
Full mag in the fucking
Sure.
safety.
Larry's out.
You dead?
I don't know who to trust.
Go into town, come on. Because they're coming right now to kill you. One of our friends just escaped from prison.
Nick, if you're back here,
Over here trying to get him out.
me and Steve, our hands are not on our guns. Upside down.
We're here to help you.
We're here to help. Stay over here. They're spawning over at the embassy.
We're here to help.
I still don't trust you.
I don't have anything. You can check me. All I have is this.
Alright. Swear to God, Brian, I will gun butt you.
They got there first, right?
Freaking news.
They got there first, like we did that one game.
So why
And
would-
what's that supposed to mean?
Never mind.
Nothing.
Fine.
Hey,
If you want to keep a distance, as long as we can see you, I'm perfectly fine with that. All right?
can I go pee over there?
looks like they're coming back that way right
Hurry
now.
up. No, just get over there.
I got pee.
You're gonna get shot over there.
Fine.
Yeah, I see that.
They're gonna be pissed.
Hey man, I escaped from jail. I don't give a shit.
Well.
You know it.
All right.
Thanks, Nick.
My body.
Your body.
You know what I'm saying? All you guys have to do is get him to a secure location for 10 minutes.
That'll work. Hey! Back here. Sit in the embassy.
Is anywhere here fair play?
The rule is if you die in your spawn, you're dead for good. So if you guys want to...
He had to have been hit.
Well, that's Dave.
Nick's dead! Game over!
I went to go shoot my
Glad I got my whatever hanky on.
Where'd you get hit?
In the face.
Where'd I get you, Nick?
In the face.
My bad. I was
No, you go hit this.
Nick, go get your jumpsuit.
Okay.
There's Nick hiding back there in the woods.